Hello everyone, I'm Ehsanul Siddiq and I have showed student management system project in our last video. Now I'm going to show the code and describe the code here. So let's run the project. So when you are running the project, landing page will appear there. And this is the landing page, and I have set the landing page from here. I have taken different from 21 from 22 maybe here. So wheel page will appear first there. So I have set a new start page from here, and so this page is appearing here. So you can log in as a trainer or as a student here. Last time I have showed you. So you can log in as a trainer and give the password to the password box. So you have to give the correct password, and the system will welcome you in the admin page. So let's see the code. Landing page, and after admin page. So this is the admin page. Here I have welcomed you. So let's see the code. So here is the code. So here in the when the page is loading, I am welcoming you by a global variable. So I have taken a global variable here, a username. So I have taken the global variable for passing the data from one page to another. So I am inputting the password and email to the landing page. So in the landing page, in the text box, the system is collecting the information and password from the database and matching them with the database and logged me in. Then it is taking the username from this email and passwords row. So after it will welcome you here. It will welcome you in the admin page by this when the page is loading. So in the page, in the view design, okay, I've added these buttons and put response redirect in these buttons. So let's see. Here is response redirect. These are the pages I have added about trainers. This is the landing page. This is the attended page. This is the added student page. This is the completed topics about the trainers. Routine page, completed topic page, add result page, admin page. So let's see. So in add a new topic, here I can add a new topic if I want. I can add any details, add assignment and save it here. And I can also add check which topic is completed or not. So this is the topic I have added here from here, and this will go to the database by inserting in this save button, insert query in the save button. So I have to give the database table name and the text box name, so that through this button the data will insert it to the database. So here I have taken a data grid table so that these informations will show up here, and I have taken check list so that the title of the topic will also show here, and so that I can check them from here. So after checking, I can see the complete topics here. I had also taken a data grid table column, only one column. So it is collecting from this database, and now I am going to show the code. Add a new topic. So in the code, I have table show. When the page is loading, this table show is will appear. So page load. When the page is loading, it's showing the list and showing the table, and as usual those buttons. And here I am selecting and taking adapter so that I can show the list here, and I can showing the table here. So I have taken also an adapter, and I am giving the query of selecting and giving the constraint string here, and here the grid is showing, and here I can delete the row I can edit the row in the text box. In here I can edit and delete the any row from here, there any topic from there. So let's see another page. Let's go to register student. I can add register student here as the theory of inserting. So in this button I have added inserted query, and I can add any student from here, any student information from here. I'm giving him a password and he can log in as a student, and he have to give the batch name for login. So let's see the code of student information. Add student, add registered student. Okay, I'm going to show the code to you. I've used HTML CSS in the design to put the form in the correct position. So let's see the code. Here I have done nothing. I have given the response redirect to all buttons, and I have batch 1 checked. So when the batch 1 is checked, this information will go to the batch 1 table in the database, and when batch 2 is checked, I have added if else condition here. It will go to another table, which is here, this table, and when you are giving them all the information from the box will gone. Okay, let's see another page. Prepare routine. Here you can prepare the routine. You can add a day, add time, add batch 1, 2, 3 room number, and you can save the routine. After saving the data, it will go to the database, and you can see the routine from the student login, student panel. So let's go to add a trainer. You can add a trainer from here. The trainer will register here, and trainer will log in with this email and this password. So let's see the trainer form here. Trainer from add trainer. So here is the trainer form. So let's see the code. Here I have added button response redirect, and in this save button I have inserted those informations to database, this table which is admin table information, and then here I have checkbox. Sorry, here I have text box, so that this data can go to the database through this checkbox. Okay, let's see the add routine. Add routine. Routine. Okay. Now view the code. Here I have also inserted those routines in the routine table. So in the database I have to create many table, maybe 5 or 7 table. So in the routine, this data will go through this code in this button. Okay, let's add. I have added a trainer. Now see the completed topics here. Now go to the top completed topic. Let's see the code. So when the page is loading, the grid view will show, and I have nothing added here. It will also show the informations I have added here, the topic from the database. So let's see the attendance. In the attendance I can add any attendance from any batch. So these are the students ID from I have add registered student here. So admin, when the admin is registering a student and adding them to the database, they will show up here in the batch. So when I am checking them and submitting them, so with a date, so they had been added. See, so let's see the code of attendance. So attendance. So here is the code of attended student. So I've done nothing. When the when the page is loading, when the page is loading, every checkbox will invisible, I have made the visible false, and when the button 1 is clicked, only button 1 checkbox will show. Let's see here, the when checkbox is showing, and when batch 2 is clicking, then only the button checkbox 2 will showing. So let's see. So I've taken some global variable, that is ptn bid clicked, and because so that I can add the attendance from the checkbox. So let's see attendance. So when I am giving the global variable, when the button 3 is clicked, the ID will show up here. So I have used switch case and if else for adding them to the attendance table in the database. So when I am clicking switch button clicked variable, then button 1 will add this student which I have been checked to the database, and when I am clicking button 2, the button 2's student will insert it to the database, and when I am clicking button 3, it will insert the button 3 batch 3 student from to the database. So let's see the attended student code. So here we can only see the student which have been added to the database. So if I am clicking button 1, it will show up the batch 1 student attendance, and batch 2 and batch 3. So let's see another panel, attendance, add result. You can add result from here. You can save and update and delete result from here to the batch 1, 2 and 3. So let's see the result, add result. So in this code I have seeing the result when I am finding it, then I am inserting them to update and delete them to batch 1, batch 2 and batch 3. Here is the batch 3's updated in query, here is batch 2's updated update query, and here is batch 2's insert query. So let's see about the course. I have added nothing, just add a text in the about course. So when I am logging me out, then the system will responsively redirect me to the landing page. So when I'm logging as a student and giving my batch. So when I am logging as my password and clicking login, it will responsively redirect me to the student panel, or I can go anywhere if I want. So in the student panel I can it will welcome me. I have taken global variable for that. I have already showed you to see all the topic. I have taken a data grid view for showing all the topic added by the admin. So let's go to the student panel. Here is the student panel. I have done nothing but written the code to all the buttons. So student see all topic, here is to see all topic. Let's see the code. I have only selected, I have showing the code by an adapter. I have give the connection string and the query of selecting and showing them to the table show. When the page is loading, I am showing them to the table. So let's go to another panel, meet your classmate. When I've taken 3 grid view here, so that I can show all the student here which has been added by the admin to the database by the add reg student. So when I'm showing the routine, I've taken also an data grid view here. Okay, let's go to meet your classmate here. have done nothing, but when the page is loading, it will show all the grid in the Meteor classmate. When I'm adding a routine, it will show also grid view which has been added by the admin, and completed topics. I am watching the grid view here also. So see the result when I am typing result, it will show up here from the result which has been added by the admin. So see result code. Let's see result code. Here I have done nothing. I have selecting the ID and the result from the student table which has been added by the admin in the text result box. So it where reside is like, so this is the selecting query, and this is the adapter. I have taken the adapter for showing them, and I am selecting them from the row of my database here, and I am converting to them to string for showing them in these boxes. So these were the systems. When I am logging out, the system will log you out from, and you can also add login as a trainer. So thank you everyone. Thank you for watching my project.